I don't know about you, but I have always loved stamps as a kid and still as an adult. I have my little bag of stamps and I've collected for years, and I just keep them going because basically, as long as you have a working stamp pad, your stamp will continue to work. So look around your home or ask your parents, do you guys have any old stamps, and see what's around. What you want to look for is an assortment of sizes of stamps, because what we're working on with stamps is tripod grasp. You got it. Using those 3 fingers together, the same grasp we're going to use when we're holding a pencil or a marker. So you want to look for different size stamps that work on that same grasp. They can be skinny tubes, they can be fat squares, whatever. This one's an interesting one because it's got a really odd base, and that just makes the pinch even more challenging, and that is also great. We just want to have lots of different ways for our kids to practice this tripod grasp so our finger strength gets stronger. The great thing about stamps is some of them actually require a little bit of work to make them work. So we have to actually have enough arm strength and shoulder strength to put enough pressure to make that stamp work. The other thing I like about stamps is you can get stamps that say things. So like this one just said for you, or I have another one that says thank you. You know, for kids who are learning their letters, sometimes it can be really hard to be always trying to print those letters. And sometimes if we can give them a stamp to say the word for them, it can just make it more fun and not feel as hard for them. And they might be more interested in doing the activity. One thing we know about teachers is they want you to put your name on everything. So if your child isn't quite ready to write their name yet, get them a stamp, and they can use that at school instead of having to always try to print their name. Half the time, people who can't print their name yet are having some adult do it hand over hand for them, which is not helping them learn the letters at all. So just remove that whole aspect. Give them a stamp so they can just stamp their name, and then when their tripod grasp has improved and their pencil control is better and they're able to write their name, then they can start writing their name. So look around the house and grab those stamps and have some fun.